Tesla's massive upgrade. Is Tesla a buy? An amazing future for Tesla? Hello guys, it's your fellow investor here with another video. In this video I'll be talking about Tesla's massive price upgrade, future outlook of the company, current news, and there are so many positive news, and if Tesla is a buy. Thank you for joining in because here we discuss EVs in general so we can make better investments for our future. Be sure to watch the whole video because it's packed with a lot of information. So let's get into it. Firstly, let's start with the latest news. What I meant when I said massive upgrade for Tesla is that Goldman Sachs is newly bullish on Tesla, upgrading their price target and their rating to a buy rating from neutral and raising its price target to $780. It's the highest on Wall Street. This is a huge upgrade. What I have to say is that the shift toward battery electric vehicle adoption is accelerating and will occur faster than our prior view, said the Goldman analyst, and he lifted the price target from $455 to $780. So this is very big, very big price target upgrade, more than 50%. He also said that battery prices are falling faster than they expected, which improves the economics of EV ownership. They are also mentioning that lesser known is the company's business of selling batteries to homeowners, commercial customers and utilities along with a solar roof, which Goldman views as promising and potentially more valuable than previously thought. See, if you are talking about Tesla, there is much more than only an automaker. Amazing future for Tesla. Tesla remains the only automaker to record growth in Germany so far this year, leaving behind major local and international rivals. Data released by Germany's Federal Motor Transport Authority, das Kraftfahrtbundesamt, shows the electric vehicle maker recorded a 37% growth on a year-over-year basis and saw 1,680 vehicle registrations in November. Then Elon Musk-led automaker's vehicle registration rose to 13,149 between January and November. German legacy automakers such as Bayerische Motorenwerke and Volkswagen saw year-over-year declines in registrations of 15% and 25% respectively. Japanese and Korean car makers didn't fare much better, with Toyota and Kia registrations slipping 13% and 8% respectively. So this is an absolute domination in registrations in Europe. So not only that Tesla is dominating in US, in China they're starting to take over Europe as well. Keep in mind that Tesla's market capitalization is more than $550 billion right now. Tesla stock is slated to be added to the S&P 500 index, effective at the start of trading on Monday, December 21st. Trillions of dollars in index-linked investments follow the S&P 500, so getting added to the index is a big deal. Hundreds of billions of dollars of Tesla stock is likely to change hands in the coming 2 weeks in preparation for the S&P addition. To ensure they'll have Tesla's returns as part of the index calculation, investors following the S&P 500 will need to make sure they have stock exposure by the end of trading on Friday, December 18th, the last trading day before the official addition. So the S&P addition is really long awaited, and it was only a matter of time until Tesla will be added because they have such a huge market cap, they're such a big company on the stock market, and it was almost inevitable. For Tesla's investors, this must be very happy days. But beware, it just so happens that December 18th is also an important day for traders in options and futures. It's one of 4 days each year in which stock futures contracts, stock index options, individual stock options and single stock futures contracts will expire. Traders sometimes refer to these confluences of 4 different expirations as quadruple witching days. So it's also going to be a huge day for Tesla because options play a major role for investors in the electric automaker with open interest of more than 7.8 million option contracts as of early December 3rd. That might not sound like much, but with each option representing 100 shares, the underlying stock represents more than Tesla's entire public float of 760 million shares. So this is really important to keep in mind, that there might be a big volatility before they'll get added into the S&P 500. We all know that Tesla has really advanced autonomous driving system, and in our surprise, there's been very positive news about its autopilot. Tesla's autopilot and full self-driving software packages are sometimes controversial, although safety data from Tesla shows that far less accidents occur while autopilot is in use. I'd like to show you a video of Tesla's full self-driving beta dodges deer on dark dirt road, and what better way of showing it than just playing the video for you.
So I was driving home, and pretty often I come across deer that I have to avoid, and I've been in this scenario a few times, but it's my first time actually capturing it on camera. So driving along here, when you can see a deer pops out in front of me, and almost right away you can see the deer is all the way on the left side of the road, and there's a little square on my screen representing the deer as a pedestrian symbol. That's the same symbol used for humans. As the deer continues across the road, my car begins to brake, which you can tell by this little green line here. That is my car regenerating energy and slowing down. It tries to plan a path around the deer, moving to the right to avoid the deer. As the deer moves right across the road, the car then reroutes, and it shows on the screen a path to the left to avoid the deer, while still braking with the green regen line. As my car gets closer to the deer, it moves over to the left to avoid it. Then my car is finished slowing down and speeds back up as the deer is off the road and avoided. Here is the raw, unedited clip. Oh yeah, oh yes, nice. Swerved for that deer, it displayed it here, hit the brakes and swerved for it. That is amazing.
So last but not least, let's not forget that Tesla is building many factories around the world, and that factory in Texas is being built 24/7, so they can start producing Cybertrucks and semi-trucks as soon as possible. And we all know how much excitement Mr. Elon Musk brought when he did the showcase and the unveiling of the Cybertruck, and he failed a glass test, which was obviously, in my eyes, a great marketing move, because since then the price of Tesla just skyrocketed, and it put the movement, and it gave Tesla free publicity because everyone was sharing memes. Articles were just flooded with Tesla's fail. But although every kind of advertisement is advertisement, it doesn't matter if it's good or bad. The only thing matters is the publicity, because even when it was a failure on paper, it was amazing, immense success for Tesla in general as a company, and I believe it was a great move by Elon. Is Tesla a buy right now? I'm sure you already know the answer. It is. With their technology development and so much more which Tesla offers, and Elon Musk himself offers, he's a great-minded person, he's a genius, which has so many more surprises and aces up on his sleeves. It's just amazing, and it's like a never-ending journey. So if you have the money for it, I would say this is probably my #1 EV stock to go for if you cannot handle big dips, because with Tesla it shouldn't go really below 20%. It has really strong fan base, that's the first thing. Investors have big faith in the company, and it's gonna be added into S&P 500 index, and it is on a roll. There's so many positive news. They have nothing to worry about. They have so much money, it's incredible. Overall, it looks just like a great tomorrows for Tesla. I hope I brought you some value. If I did, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any new upcoming videos. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up below this video, it helps me out a lot. Let me know down in the comment section what are your thoughts and opinions about Tesla's development for past year. Or when did you buy Tesla stock, or are you going to buy on some dips, or are you waiting for some dips? I'm all ears. With that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.